Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys, it's MK, and well, today I am going to be doing a little party with my family for my birthday. Even though my real birthday is on September 30th, Wednesday, I don't want to celebrate it today because my real birthday is there. But also, I have practice and school. So we don't have a lot of time to celebrate, so we decided to do it the weekend before. I can't wait for you to see my video, and you can watch all about my birthday in the video. That looks pretty. I like it like that, just like that.
Is it starting to look like a galaxy?
Yeah.
Am I making a mess?
Yes. Tell you that. Ah! Got some in my eye. Is the final look of my cake. And it is beautifully done by my own mother. Can I start?
Yeah.
It's a frozen karaoke thing. Now I don't have to use it. And also a Descendants. Are you kidding? Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Another camera. Woo!
Here, you know about
Different kinds of. Look, this one has like cute little polka dots. This one has
What
like
are those?
rainbow effects.
It's
They're
the
the
film for
film.
it's like a Polaroid.
Oh, okay.
To buy the film.
This one's like.
Come to get these things.
Oh, I think I taped the box closed.
Okay, what is this?
Open the
It's like a
box.
cute little box.
Careful. What is it? Let me see. What is it?
There were a bunch of bath bombs.
Oh my God!
in
You're gonna
a
fall.
really cute box. Look how cute this
You
is.
got it. So,
Oh my god.
do you know what it is?
It's like a doctor thing.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Oh, you wrapped it in an interesting way.
Yeah, it's taped together right
Yeah, I see that.
there. Yeah, it had to fit perfectly, okay?
What is this? It's a lab coat. Ian has a scientist little hang thingy. It's a lab coat. Yay, with lab sunglasses. Yay. It's a bath bomb banana bouncy, I think you mean.
Yeah, that's you make your own. the
Bonanza. You can make your own.
I think I have bath bombs when I'm done with the box I used.
Yeah.
Then I won't have to be asking for bath bombs.
And then you could wear the lab coat when you do it.
When you do it, it's like a scientific.
Scientists, yeah.
It looks like a blanket. Curtains! Such a bomb!
They're cool, huh?
Like Princess
Yeah, they-
Star curses.
Look at the other side. The other side.
Oh,
Look pretty, huh?
Yeah.
very princessy.
I love it! Okay. Ha! Okay. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is just looks like my carpet.
It does.
Yeah,
Fine.
it really does. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's a notebook?
It's a photo album kind of book.
Oh.
Watch, get that other galaxy looking thing.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is this? What is this?
Keep looking at the bigger thing on that side. Do you know what
Oh my gosh!
it is? Do you know what it is?
Yeah, Abby has one.
What is it?
It's like to put your camera in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh! I'm
Okay,
starting
so
that camera thing today.
So these are all things for the camera.
Oh, Abby has this too.
Mhm.
Oh my gosh!
And that's from Grandma.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, put it all back in the box.
Hold
It's
on,
a lens cleaner.
I'm looking at all this stuff. Oh my gosh.
What about that one? Oh. Well, that one's going before mine.
Woo-hoo! I got my bracelet maker!
Now you can make me a bracelet.
Party every! Woo!
Too much going on right now.
Yay! Bracelet maker! Woohoo! Thanks.
No. It
Yeah.
has to go back.
Woo! Wee! Woo!
She asked for them.
That's how I feel about that. Okay. Oh, I put price tags on everything just in case they'll be cheap. So.
Oh, fancy,
Ooh, that
fancy.
was
One of
red-
those
has
expensive
another
ones.
thing.
Right, your rebel.
Oh, this one has another thing. What's this? Rabble?
What are you doing?
Some of these shirts. Oh my god, it's a Rebel Skeeters.
Skeeter?
No.
Skirt.
You gotta cut that part out.
Woo.
Huh?
You gotta cut that part out of the video.
Woo, 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 woo. Get the box over there. You're done. Get the box. I love it. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Well, it better be. It was.
Wow. Okay.
Broke it. You broke it already.
No, it's supposed to be like that.
How does
It has magnets in it.
Oh. So is this going?
It just has magnets on it.
Oh, it's like a button.
Yeah. And there's another one on the bottom. Abby showed me
No.
And voila! My perfect little bag.
What?
Okay,
First official picture?
of my 9th birthday balloons. Okay. And voila, my first picture. I could have hundreds and forties and millions of more pictures.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. You are not serious. My
All right, ready?
Alright, you guys ready?
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Michaela.
Whoa.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Woo!
Aggressive.
I'm trying to make it like a big celebration. That's why I cleared my throat.
Very often, does it?
I only heard Abby yell at her annoying brother. They're really annoying.
You see? Oh, it's so cute.
Streamers are this.